Good morning, children. Welcome back for EVS again. So, children, in the last video, we have seen about the balanced diet. Okay, we have seen what is a balanced diet and why should we have a balanced diet. Now, in that, we have even seen different types of meal times. Same, I am going to repeat, nothing new. There are four different types of meal times that we usually follow in India. Obviously, in between also we have some uh, snacks or some munches, but major there are four types of different meal types. First is morning breakfast, which I have told you last time also that we should never skip breakfast. Why it is known as breakfast? Because we are fasting from the whole night. Okay, that means maybe 8 to 10 hours we are fasting, and then in the morning we are breaking that fast. So it is very very important to break that fast and have a healthy diet, a healthy breakfast in the morning. When your regular school will start, at that time also remember, children, not to skip your breakfast. It is very very important to have your breakfast because it is the kick start. It gives you the kick start for the whole day. So it should be healthy. It can be anything which is given here. It can be a roti, a paratha, or eggs. Those who have eggs, it should be rich in carbohydrates and proteins in general. Now, at what time we should have? See, everyone has their different time. See, when you are coming to school in the morning, you have to reach school early. So usually you get up and have breakfast at 7, 7:30 or 8. Okay. Some people, they have breakfast at 9. So these breakfast timings changes. It is not so specific that at this time only you should have breakfast. Now, this is very important to note that breakfast can timings can change. Okay. Now, even in the breakfast you can have healthy juice, fruit juice, or any kind of fruit. That is very important. Okay, whichever kind of fruit you want. Now, the next meal time is lunch. It can be between 12 to 1. Okay, sometimes it can be 1:30, even 1:30 people have a lunch. In school, when you are in school, you have your break at 1 o'clock, 1:10, right? So at that time you should have that lunch, proper lunch. In that proper lunch you should have vegetable, roti, salad, curd, then rice, dal. All these things you should include in your lunch time. Then it can vary according to different houses. Okay, now you can see here in the slide that there is this type of lunch given. Okay, now lunch should have all types of food. It is like carbohydrates, protein, even fats, a kind of fat. Then curd is a very good source of good bacteria. Okay, which helps in improving your digestion. So that also you should include. Then salads, which contains fiber. I have explained you what is fiber in the last video. So that is also very very important to have in your lunch time, during your lunch time. Now, in evening snacks can be again healthy. It can be dosa, and that can be again between 4 to 5. Because when you reach home from school, at that time you usually have evening snacks, right? So it can be a glass of milk, it can be again a fruit, it can be sprouts, it can be uh, even it can be uh, a dosa. Okay, so anything which is healthy can be included in evening snacks. Okay, now in the night, dinner time, again dinner should be taken early. it should be between 8 to 9 a.m. P.m. Not more than that. Time should not exceed more than that. So, and again, dinner should include everything which is healthy but light, not so heavy food. You should not have heavy food at night, because in the night the body becomes a bit lazy, and digestion becomes slow. So you should not have those food which are not easily digested, like heavy fried foods. Okay, you can have a little bit lighter food like soup, khichdi, such type of food which are easily digestible. Okay, so these are the four meal times which you have to take care of. Timings you have to take care, and even what kind of food you are eating at this hour. Okay, thank you, children.